I'm sure kilala natin sila. This is Miss Van Almerica, the beautiful photographer of the Cradle Stories in Walking Acting. So, syempre, nandito din ang ating napagaling na stylist. Ayan, si Miss Vina. Ayan, palakpakan natin sa kapwa.
Good morning. Thank you so much for saying yes to our invitation. You mean so much to us. We had 2 names for the studio before we finally decided the final name of the studio. So first we have the Palad Palace, actually. However, I deem it's so cute. So second is the Loba. So I also asked my creative friend kung saan mas may impactful na between the two, either Palad Palace or La Loba. So she said, and Ate Vina said that La Loba is better. And then it's short, but it's impactful and it's mysterious. Yes. So why did we choose the name La Loba? So actually, I first met La Loba, the Bone Singer, the Wild Muse, in the pages of Clarissa Pincola Estes, Women Who Run with the Wolves, during a gender and literature class in college. Her myth never left me. La Loba, the female wolf who gathers forgotten bones and sings them back to life, became the perfect symbol for art and creation. The act of scavenging fragments of dreams, memory and longing, then breathing them into something new. So actually, I first encountered this sa literature class namin ng college. And then, that's the reason why Miss Vina and I named our creative playground La Loba. So it's a den for the stories yet to be told and images yet to be born. So this studio is a decade in the making. So it wasn't easy for us because we really started from scratch. So si Ate Vina, I met her 2012. Sabi ko sa kanya na actually she pushed me to pursue photography while I was on the brink of giving up. Yeah, so sabi niya ate na, okay girl, gawa tayo ng sarili natin. Kasi I had a not so good experience with another photographer, so I was discouraged. That's the reason why I pursued my photography because of Ate Vina. So ano siya na, sige ba, himutag sarili nato mas studio. So she never left me since 2012. So it is a decade in the making, and it is not just a space, but it will house stories of families, couples, little ones, 6 months up, and corporate sessions, and also wild visions of my fellow artists. While the Walking Eye Studios remain our newborn studio and booking office in City Heights, La Loba will also share a hearth to be rented out to fellow creatives and content creators. So this will not be solely used by us, but I want to share this to the creative community who mean the world to me. So, and yeah, so this space is for all our clients, all our friends in the industry, and all of those who believe in the power of creating and photographing and crafting. So yeah, from the depths of our hearts, we also want to express our gratitude to every soul who helped breathe into this dream. So there.
Yay! So, palakpakan naman natin. Congratulations!
Finally open!
Finally, Lalo. They're telling us earlier. Come on, diretso muna tayo sa taas, second floor tayo. Thank you very much. Welcome. Sir, pagkawin. Sir, pag-iin, sir. Pag-iin mo kay Ari.
Sino? Alin, sir? Si sir. Oo. Sir. Pakitawag si sir.
Ma'am, sir? Sige, sir. Tapos na ako. Okay, sige.
Ano, sir? Akyat na mo. Oo. Lahat.
Bye, sir.
Sige, guhit ko pa. Ventilation lang.
Yeah.
Medyo init.